In today's episode, we'll be looking at the Bitcoin price. We'll be doing some short-term technical analysis where I'll be showing you some different resistance and support areas, some different patterns that we are forming. I am actually in a trade right now. I am using Bybit. This is one of the best leverage trading platforms. If you like trading, I've got links in the description of leverage trading platforms, and Bybit now has got a great promo code. If you use JACKPOT, you can get up to $600 of bonus. All the information to get this bonus in the description, guys. Also, we'll be checking out the Ethereum price here. I'll be showing you some different patterns that are forming and support and resistance that we are looking for in the immediate short term. And we'll be looking at the Bitcoin dominance. It looks like that we're dancing around on the 68% levels. I am looking for a breakout here in the short term. And for the news of today, financial advisors are betting on Bitcoin as a hedge. So if you like the content, guys, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe if you haven't done yet, and let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Sensors, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. Taking a look at the 15-minute chart, it looks like that we are forming an ascending wedge here. When we had this huge crash from the $41,000 levels almost to $30,000, this is almost a 25% crash that we had in about a day. So it looks like that we're forming an ascending wedge here. Because we are in a bull market, well, this can easily break to the upside. Well, the short-term analysis here that I can see in this wedge is that we've formed an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder, as you can see, and we broke the neckline. So I am looking for the targets here inside of this wedge for a scalp. If you get the top of the head to the neckline, well, I'm looking from the breakout, and it looks like that we're going to come to the top of this ascending wedge. So I'll be exiting my trade at $37,700, more or less around this area. I'll be exiting my scalp if this works out. This is what I'm looking for, the Bitcoin price here in the short-term technical analysis. Taking a look at Ethereum. On the hourly chart, we can see that we are forming a very similar pattern like the Bitcoin price. We can see that from $1,350 from the 10th of January down to the 11th of January, we went down to $913. This is an immense crash that we had in less than 24 hours. Looks like that we are forming this ascending wedge, and this is a bearish pattern, but we can probably see this breaking to the upside because we are in a bull market. If not, we'll be dancing around here for a couple of days till the 15th of January. This is when the wedge ends. So this is a very good trading opportunity. The measured targets would be getting the top of the leg to the downside, and if we break to the downside, the measured move would be around the $770 per Ethereum, and if we break to the upside, we can see we could go up to $550. This would be the measured move. We would pass all-time highs. This is what I'm expecting for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price in the short term. And checking out the Bitcoin dominance, it looks like that we've been here for days now. This is the 68% levels. If we break to the downside, I am sure that we're going to see the 63% levels. This is a 5% move to the downside, and we are going to have a huge alt season if this happens. I'm expecting this because the more time we test a support or a resistance, it is most likely to break, and we've been here for days now. So it looks like there is a high chance that we're going to break to the downside, and there is going to be a ridiculous alt season, guys. So you want to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet for these great opportunities. Checking out the news today, financial advisors are betting on Bitcoin as a hedge. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are increasingly being used by financial advisors as a hedge against inflation, underscoring the dramatic shift in institutional sentiment towards digital assets. The Bitwise ETF Trend 2021 benchmark survey reveals that 9.4% of financial advisors were allocating to cryptocurrencies in 2020, an increase of 49% from the previous year. of the advisors not currently allocating to crypto, 70% said they will either definitely or probably gain exposure in 2021. 25% of advisors cited inflation hedging as one of the most attractive features of the asset class. This year's survey saw a sharp uptick in advisors highlighting crypto's high potential returns and its role in inflation hedging as key attractive features of the asset class. Financial advisors slowly but consistently seen Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency projects as a legit investment. Let me tell you though that 95% in my opinion of cryptocurrencies are absolute trash. There is only a small percentage that are legit projects in my opinion, such as Chainlink and synthetic networks. I might be getting some videos and reviews of these altcoins. Guys, this is going to be it for today's episode. Feel free to check out the Bitcoin Sensor's website. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, and how to trade Bitcoin safely. And we've got the latest news and technical analysis also. So I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen the best tutorial of the JACKPOT leverage trading platform, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button, subscribe for coming updates, and I will see you in the next one.